Welcome back. So in the last video we said that we were going to make fake commits between Bitcoin to MagicCoin, and this is quite a big leap because there are a lot of stuff that happens from Bitcoin to MagicCoins, a lot of forks, as you can see here. Okay, and well, I prefer to understand every one of the steps that come from Bitcoin, okay, to MagicCoin. And in order to do so, the first step is to work around what does happen from WhiteCoin to X11 coin, because we already know what happens from X11 coin to MagicCoin. We already did this job. Okay, so now we need this step, WhiteCoin to X11 coin. So what we're going to do is to compare WhiteCoin and X11 coin, find the best commit where to fork. That's the first step. I probably have already done it, but we will take a look at it. Then what we want to do is to make the fake commits from WhiteCoin to X11 coin to understand if X11 coin is anything useful at all, if it adds something else in addition to WhiteCoin. Then we will manage to have another branch where we can add the X11 coin to MagicCoin fake commits, and yeah, and then you've got the you know, add the rest of MagicCoin commits from the current repos, which I mean, I think we have already done this with here, maybe not, I'm not sure. Yeah, so this is where I am. So this is the manual fork, okay, and yeah, and so everything here comes to and state that it's the same thing as the first initial commit of Magi. Then you can put on top of this, you can put all of this. Sure, if the repo has more commits from the future. There's this def. I think this is, yeah, this is another one commit. Yeah, this is not. Yeah, so this is the idea. So here you have everything that's needed in order to have the first initial commit, and then you can add patches that are the commits from the current what's the name, commits. You can patch and replay the commits from the current repo. This is something that we have not done, but yeah, so this is not sure if we are going to do this because it's doing the stuff for doing it. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have on this GitHub stuff. So TrackCoin, we have said that we know that we don't care too much about this, so this should go into discarded. Yeah, okay. So fatal to be deleted. Yeah, maybe this directory goes into discarded. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have to do, what we want to do. WhiteCoin and X11 coin. WhiteCoin. Okay, so here we have this. Yeah, we already have done something similar here. WhiteCoin and X11 coin. Think my approach. Okay, so yeah, we already have this yeah, I mean, let's make an archive directory, because otherwise I have too much stuff here. Or maybe not. Wait a minute. So this is WhiteCoin. WhiteCoin archive. Okay, so yeah. Let me see. Mint coin. This is something. Main coin is quite. Yeah, this is not something that we want to have around here. Beer coin. Okay, so this goes here. So beer coin so far. So beer coin discarded. We want to move it into discarded. Okay, and beer coin itself we want to move it into the archive so that we don't lose it, that we don't use it. Main coin desktop wallet. What the hell is this? Main coin desktop wallet. I'm not sure if this is something that to be discarded or no, so let's move it here. Peer coin Machi differences. Yeah, this was the first differences. I think we can move this to the archive. And this one too. Let's move it to the archive. Okay. Now X11 coin, Machi coin. So let's work on X11 coin. X11 coin, Machi. Work. Okay. This is something that we want to we want to move in a different folder so that we do not. So this is X11 coin initial commit. Yeah, we don't care too much about this, because what we want to do is to compare X11, the last commit of X11 coin. Yeah, X11 coin. Okay, anyway, so the idea is that everything related to X11 coin and Machi, it's going to be moved into the Machi work, the X11 Machi work. And okay, so WhiteCoin Machi, WhiteCoin is also one champ. We don't want to compare WhiteCoin to Machi coin directly. So what you do is you archive everything from here. I mean, maybe we discard this. So WhiteCoin and Machi, maybe we discard this. Yeah, that's right, we discard this. If we are not right, we can go back from the discarded folder. So peer coin, Machi differences is okay. This is going also to be into the discarded folder. Maybe what we can do is rename this as Machi coin discarded. That way it makes more sense. So let's see what we have here. X11 coin Machi work. Okay. X11 coin initial commit. WhiteCoin. Machi initial commit. Let's keep this here. Machi push legacy. What the hell is this? Machi push legacy. What the hell is this? Machi push legacy. I am not sure what the hell is this, but I don't think I need it. Let's move it into discarded. Then if I need it, I might use it later. Okay, so we have this Machi So now we're going to move everything related to Machi into a new folder, because otherwise this is too much stuff. New folder, it's going to be Machi repos. Okay, so Machi repos or whatever. Machi WhiteCoin, this one and this one, and we want to move everything to Machi repos. So now we should not have anything. Okay, here it is. Here there is Machi repos. Okay, so now we don't have anything but the Machi repos directory. And now we can do something like Machi coin work. Maybe we can leave this like that, so everything. XC2 is not something that we want to discard, but it's not something that we are going to use. So we have the archive at the discarded folder. Okay. So now we're going to check here. Before checking this, we need to use our tools. Okay. So in order to compare everything, we need some tools, which I do not remember quite well how to use them, because this was used kind the day. Okay, here we have all of these steps that we did manually in order to replace everything. Okay, let's work on WhiteCoin. Let's see if we have anything around here. Okay, so find a WhiteCoin commit that matches X11 coin initial commit, and we did this manually. Okay, yeah, so this is something that we already wanted to do back in the day. Find a WhiteCoin commit that matches X11 coin initial commit, compare it, create virtual commits, fake commits, then do dump the commits. Yeah, develop a tool to automate that. Yeah, with these email commits. So apparently we managed to find that this was the right thing to do. So this is white commit. So there is not any .git, isn't it? So WhiteCoin should have. Okay, so here we are on this candidate 1, which is this 5FD stuff, which is the one that. So if you compare what the hell is this? If you compare WhiteCoin and this file here, you should find out that there is no difference but the git directory. Okay, so that means that we are on the right folder. So this is the right folder that we want to use, and we want to compare it to the X11 coin initial commit. Okay, so we are in the right place. So let me remove all of this here so that we can work. So let's open a new. So here what we want to compare is this WhiteCoin commit, and you want to compare it to the X11 coin commit. Okay. Okay, so on the left we have the X11 coin. Sorry, on the left we have WhiteCoin, and on the right we have the X11 coin. So we have the hit ignore, which I think yeah, this is something that might be useful. License, look at that, ATC secure. README, and this is the pro that needs to be down on 2 steps, so that so that it's the same file, otherwise version 0.72, otherwise this is let's take a look at more differences that are around here. So before doing the fake commits, let's take a look here what we have or what we do not have. So WhiteCoin X11 coin. Okay, yeah, this seems to be happening on each one of the files from the Debian directory. Everyone tries to replace the strings, so I think this is always the same thing. We always find the same stuff on these man pages, and yeah, so here we have the other change, which is a stupid change, which is WC is replaced by XC. This should not be happening in the first place, but you know, okay, these are more replacements. This is an additional file, and what the hell is this? Readme. Okay, just replacing. Yeah, we have difference, which is that the port is replaced, but it's always the same thing about replacing the name. And yeah, make Windows icon. This is a new, no, this is not a new file, but it's the same thing. And now we have, what the hell is this? We have this directory, which is src. This is a new file because whatever the reason is, X11 coin is going to use ASS helper. Okay, private keys and so on. Some other ports. Yeah. What am I? Okay. Get POS kernel PS. So this is WhiteCoin. Get proof of stake kernel PS. What the hell is PS? Proof of stake? Sorry. Blake.c, Bloom CPP. Okay, more stuff that I am not sure that Machi actually uses. These are checkpoints. This is not something that, okay, so here we change some versions. Wait a minute. Take a look at this. 730 is 822, but Magic Coin uses something else. Client version. Wait. No, because Magic Coin uses display version. Okay. So apparently this 730, which is, well, yeah, apparently this is changed here. So I'm not sure what's the deal with Magic Coin. I had around here some comparisons, but I'm not sure there was anything about client version. Not sure if this is going to work. Okay, so client version is set to 1001 because whatever. Let's remove all of these comparisons that are making me nervous, because these are all comparisons. So now we only have one comparison as the right one. Okay. So, yeah. Let's take a look. Okay, so yeah, this is more stuff. Then we have these differences here. At the end, you have a lot of renaming, because whatever the reason is, I'm not sure why is this th stuff here. Okay, finally on kernel.cpp we have something. So let's write this down. So kernel.cpp from WhiteCoin to X11 coin has some useful changes. When I say useful, it means that it's something different than just copying WhiteCoin. So this is something about protocol modify interval change. So this is something about changing the height on the production and on the test and so on. And we also have some time wait, so that means that X11 coin has some understanding of that the staking is related to time. So this is interesting. And yeah, more stuff. Time, these are lines that are not needed at all. Look at these changes in kernel.h. I mean, yeah, we will have also some files. Yeah, this is kernel.h. This is where the hell is this? Wait a minute. Okay, here. This is src. Okay, so Okay, so yeah, let's keep comparing all of this and see if there's something. Okay. Okay, so this is Lufa, which we don't know if we need it or not. We also have, what the hell is this? Yeah, we changed the staking age and so on, which yeah, makes some sense. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Okay, cutoff hike and power cutoff hike, subsidy, tax percentage, circulation money. Yeah. Okay, so this is stuff that it's useful to. I mean, not sure how much, but this is something different than just so apparently WhiteCoin has something about yearly rewards, some rewards per year, and this is no longer found in X11 coin. That's interesting, but yeah, another space that should be removed or something. Blacklist block of all change. Well, yeah, you don't have this on the new fork because you don't have those. In here we have this DOS offset block. Yeah, so here you have the POW cutoff height that I was talking about. That this is specific from X11 coin. Okay, this is a big difference between WhiteCoin and X11 coin. This is using the POW cutoff high. Okay. Not sure what the hell are these values, but this is probably some way of making sure that the messages start with the specific prefix, which I don't know what this is, hexadecimal, and then you translate it. Yeah. Modifier interval. This is not used on X11 coin. Okay. Oh, take a look at that. This is the Theresis block string, maybe? What the hell is this? I get knocked down, but I get up again, and this is when this was supposed to go live. Interesting. Okay, Merkle root needs to be this thing. And this is different on each one of the forks. This is another difference. Wait a minute. Okay, apparently while the wallet is locked, you look. But this is, why would you have the wallet here? Proof of a stake block found. Proof of a stake block was signed. Oh my god. So apparently in X11 coin you don't find blocks, but you sign them. This is something that... Okay, 8, this is 12. Yes, that's the difference. So we have plenty of changes here that some of them make sense, some of them that do not make sense. And here you've got this, it's the BN threads running thread miner, which I think it's from the future, because I remember having seen this from somewhere. And yeah, right iteration point. Yeah, anyway, let's check differences. Okay, main 8.h, it's the same thing. We've got these files. That seems to be something useful. Also, let's forward. Okay, so this make file.bsd. This is just renaming stuff because whatever. Make file.debug. This is a file that should not be here, I think, but yeah. So this is the Windows build from Linux, which now has a lot of extra files. That's why we need all of these files, but are we using them? That's the question that I have. Do we use them or not? Because one thing is that you want to build everything in here, and another thing is that you use these functions, these libraries on your code. Okay, let me check 1 second. So we have also net CPP, that makes sense, which is this is related to the network. So this is something that you want to change if you are X11. Look at that. These are the seats, which is empty here. These are the seats, which are the address, the seat nodes. Another debug, another release, protocol.h. Yeah, this is protocol.h has also something useful here, as I was expecting. Protocol.h. Okay. RPC blockchain. Yeah. I mean, seems to be quite stuff here. Not sure if I'm going to write down all of the places where there seems to be some. Okay, let me take a look here. Okay, so maybe we can open this here and make this easier. Okay. So this is src rpc block chain.cpp. We have new stuff, and that's a good thing. Then we have RPC, and this is not useful at all. What about RPC mining? So far it's just renaming the stuff. WhiteCoin address. Okay, so far we don't need to save anything from here. RPC wallet. Wait a moment. Yeah, so far it's WhiteCoin X11 coin. Okay, here we have something different. We no longer use generate, receive, send fee, but we have this immature and mature. So X11 coin adds the new logic about mature and mature, and so this needs to be taken into account as something that's useful. Okay, because otherwise, so you have a lot of X11 renaming, but somewhere around here there are some changes that are not obvious, and we want to keep it here. Okay, boost for each. Okay, Coinbase or stake something. Yeah, okay. RPC wallet. Script mine.cpp is removed. Why? We don't know. Because this is because we want to mine a script, and then this is X11 coin, not a script. This is maybe Shabite, and all of these files that I do not understand why. I mean, I need to check them later because I don't know where they are used from. Okay, here you have some changes that make me complain about, because this is you into, for instance, this means changing stuff that, yeah, so I'm not sure. This is probably taken from another project, because, you know, 512, so you want 512 of this to work. Okay, are you looking basically trying to recreate the history from peer coin to magic coin? As if you took a repo from peer coin from 2024, and then you manage to add commits, and then you manage to add commits, just the process jumping out. It's a multi-step process that I'm going to forks from the magic coin history, which are not actual Git forks but just a copy and paste, so some fake virtual commits, gluing both of the codes need to be graphed. Okay, so what more do we have here? This is renaming. Wait a moment. What do we have? Initial. Remove last. Util.h. Let's write this down. Let's save. Okay, so version dot cpp has changed, which is the right one. I mean, yes and no. So we have this change. I'm not sure if I want to call this a change that's needed for X11 coin, because you are just renaming it. You're just doing a rename. Okay, so wallet.cpp. Coin control. Okay. Coin control.h. So let's. This is something useful. That makes sense. That this is useful. Wallet.cpp. And we can see more stuff. Coinbase is take. Wait a minute. Mature, immature. This was used somewhere else, but not here. Oh my god. Okay, select coins, available coins, coin control. Yeah, this is all the coin control stuff, which I think Magic Coin uses. So we will have to read transaction index read from disk. Yeah, this is more or less the same thing. Wallet.h, yeah, so this is the same thing here. Yeah, mean. A lot of stuff here. Okay, so we have X11 Coin Pro, which you already have with them. So make fake commits. So this is the one from X11 Coin Pro and WhiteCoin.pro. Is there a WhiteCoin.pro? No, it's not. Wait a minute. X11 Coin Pro. Damn it. So I guess we can remove this one. And we can say that we want to rename X11 Coin Pro to WhiteCoin Qt Pro, probably. Yeah. Oh. You cited about anything in particular? Damn it. Hi. I'm not actually reading, just enjoying the background magic. Background music. Okay, Bastel. Well, Master is no longer here. Bastel Peachy, but you've got the music on the video description. You can check the what's the name? You can check the playlist. Okay, Master 85. Is this Big Stinker 85? Yeah, that's right. Lighthouse. This is not useful. Let's get yeah. Okay. It's easier if you talk to me to the Discord channel. I think you already talked there. Okay, let me answer the question on the Discord channel. Okay, yes, I am doing this because it's easier to port whatever makes Machi Coin special to Bitcoin code base, if you know exactly what's good to be. If you know exactly what makes Machi special. And all of various forks. Just decided for learning along the process. Okay. So we managed to find that there's a lot of changes, and also I guess that here on the Qt side there might be some stuff, yeah, some additional stuff. So that's what you want to do here. Yeah, so let's see. Let's say that this does not meet. Okay, so we have on the MagicCoin archive, we have this candidate 1 and replace to step 1. Yeah, wait a minute, we should have more steps somewhere. MagicCoin discarded. Are they here? What the hell are the... Okay, yeah, so we have this. Let's see how the hell did we do this. So we had this special way of doing stuff that it's we make a folder with our base code, and then we do some changes, and then we do another changes, and then we just have to apply the difference to the code so that it's taken into account thanks to what's the name? Thanks to the let me see. So you've got all of this some knowledge before I got to this code. Just need, yeah, no problem about, yeah, don't worry. Maybe get a sip of water. Okay. Okay. Okay, now these are folders. In order to compare, in order to replace stuff, then you just have one commit, because we replace Bitcoin, we replace X11 coin, and so on. Let me check. Yeah, so this is all about replacing Magi, I think, or MagiD or something, and then what we have here is step 1 and step 2. So this is no longer replacing Magi, but wait a minute. Step 1 and step 2. Why is this renaming to X11 coin again? Is this the other way around? Or I am doing something wrong here. Wait a minute. Step 3. Okay. Yeah, maybe I did something wrong when I tried to replace everything there. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm not sure if I want to make the fake commits on the repo or... Okay, let's go back. Let's search. Maybe we want to create a work folder so that we can have everything in the same place. And so what we have here is WhiteCoin. So this is actually X11 coin with all of the stuff. And so what we want to compare is, what the hell is this? WhiteCoin and X11 coin. So WhiteCoin. Okay, so let's create a folder which is going to be X11 coin. This is the destination, and the origin is WhiteCoin. Okay. So what you want to have here is exactly the same WhiteCoin that you have down there. You want to have it here, and here I might say that this is the WhiteCoin original, so that I don't get confused. So we go back to WhiteCoin work here. So we have this WhiteCoin directory, which it's a bit, so let's check. Okay, so here we are on the candidate 1 fork. So this is the place where you want to focus stuff. However, I want to know how the hell did I did the same thing here on the X11 coin Magic work folder. This is not it. Yeah, here. So here I have this. Okay, so the way of doing this is creating this kind of branch. Okay, so this here on the left is the blade, and here on the right we have the WhiteCoin. So we have the candidate 1. That's a nice thing to have here. But now what we want to do is to create a new branch here, which is going to be the manual fork. So this is going to be a manual fork from WhiteCoin to X11 coin. Okay. So now we are going to apply changes from so what we're going to do is to remove what's the name, to remove all of this, and we're going to compare from where the hell are you? Not WhiteCoin, but something else. We want to compare from the oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we want to compare this. There, this is the destination. So we want to compare the origin one. Am I doing this right? yeah, first destination. Yeah, that's right. So what's the destination? The destination is, I mean, not the destination, but the future is the X11 coin initial commit. This is the future, and the present is the X11 coin. Okay, let's ignore the differences. So we have this GIT, which we ignore, and then we have all of the files that are changed from X11 coin to WhiteCoin. Okay, so we want to change these files in an order, and then we can make a commit, fake commit. And what we are going to do is to use this as an example of what you want to do. So this is fork X11 matches, so this needs to be white X11, I guess. So as you can see here, there are a lot of rename stuff from X11 coin and Bitcoin from what's the name? Yeah, from X11 coin to Machi. And so what we want to do right now is to work on. We want to work only on replacing Bitcoin strings and what's the other one? Yeah, and WhiteCoin. This is something that we will be able to do thanks to the comparison here. So this is the first commit that we want to do. So let's dive into it. So you have this GIT, you go into the end of the CI. Okay, let me see if I can make anything of this. So I want to make sure that I get to the first. Okay, finally we have managed to close this. That's not funny. Okay, so country Debian. Okay, so let's start from here, then later on we can compare and see if we have managed, there's something else that needs to be fixed. So now we are going to force X11 coin onto WhiteCoin. Okay, to why? Because we are moving from WhiteCoin to X11 coin. The first commit is going just to rename stuff. Okay, unless it's not the case, obviously. In that case, we would do something else. Okay. Oh, take a look at this. X11 coin. Yeah. This is all about the directories which are being renamed, I guess, from one place to another one. No, this is the binary, and these are the files. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure if I have. Yeah, okay. Let me check this. Yeah, this is the difference that we want to apply. Yeah, let's apply the differences. Hopefully this is not going to explode anywhere. So these are the rules. What the hell are these rules? Okay, yeah, the rules that you use in order to build a package. Yeah, I don't see anything not to change here. And this is something, yeah, let's rename this. Okay, these are the binaries for the desktop, so that you can start the stuff from the desktop. Yeah. Examples. This seems to be just replacing stuff. Yeah. Man pages. Yeah, I mean, I don't think they have done anything else than just replacing the stuff here, so let's apply all of the 5 without checking too much about this. Okay, here we have stupid replacement here, that it's replacing XC with WC. I'm not going to save this. I mean, I will do a commit, but separate commit, because this is nonsense. Okay, let's save the work so far, because otherwise this might explode and we lose all of the work. So if we take a look at the hit diff, we should have basically all of the changes that we will check here is just rename WhiteCoin to X11 coin. Okay, so we could take a take a look here. We have these spaces that should not be here, but anyway, yeah. So let's add all of these files. Sure, yeah, maybe I will do hit add like that, and then I can reuse the same. Okay, let me wait a moment. Okay, so what you want to use here is destination is X11 and origin is WhiteCoin, so replace WhiteCoin strings. And this is going to be the first step, okay, because we are going to have more. Then later on we might squash the commits, but you know, we don't care too much about having too much commits right now. So now I'm going to refresh all of this, and we will be able to check if there's something about renaming stuff here. Okay, let's remove GID. Let's check all of this. So raw. Okay, so here we have this commit, which we will do later because I don't like it. And now we will continue working on X11 coin rename and stuff till we get bored. Basically, we don't care about this. Let's see, readme. Yeah, there is a problem, which is here there is a problem, which is the port, which is here. This needs to be done separately. So what I'm going to do is to apply the difference, all of this. However, I am not going to apply this port because we will do two commits for this. One about renaming and another one about doing the other stuff. And this is the same thing. So you want to rename everything, but you don't want to rename the port because it's different change. Okay, WhiteCoin is being renamed. And now we have a lot of stuff that it's not useful at all. Let's take a look at our changes, and you can see how this is only about the X11 coin. So now I can just add them and amend the previous commit because it's everything about the same thing. Nice. Okay, let's refresh all of this just in case. Let's ignore the GIT folder. Let's go down. So we ignore this, we don't care about this. This is the port that needs to be done manually with two commits. And this is where we have a lot of files that have a lot of changes, but we don't know too much. This is not something about, wait, maybe here there is some WhiteCoin stuff. So let's check. Yeah, probably this is something that we want to replace because it's the right thing to do. We are just replacing X. Wait a minute. This is not it. We are just replacing WhiteCoin, but here it's not the case, so we ignore this. We go back here. This is another port. We don't care about the ports right now. Here it is. WhiteCoin version, WhiteCoin. Yeah. WhiteCoin. It's true that this should have some way of having all of this into a single variable so that you can check, you can change blockchain name, protocol name, coin name, ticker name, and so on in one single place. But this is something that needs to be done from Bitcoin, I guess. But yeah. Okay, so let's save the current changes so far. Let's see if we haven't made more changes than the changes that we want to. So let's add all of this and then amend the current commit, and let's start again. gh.c. So I go to gh.c around here. Where are you? Here. Okay, nothing about, I mean, maybe there's something about WhiteCoin, but Yeah. Yeah, doesn't matter. Okay, so this WhiteCoin, this makefile files, probably it's just about replacing WhiteCoin, and that's what we want to do, because that's what it's easier to do. Makefile debug is not here, and so here we also have some changes, but not everywhere, just only on the places where it's obvious that we have renamed stuff. Okay. These are some variable changes, but probably we're going to find also some renames here. That's right. Okay. The reason why I am making a single commit about renaming is that maybe later we can ignore it and just change everything else and keep the old name, so that we can later on only have peer coin, you know, or whatever it is, because otherwise we are changing these names and we don't need to change them. We only need to change them once we are on Mati, and even then I am not sure about that. X11 coin, yeah. And yeah, damn it, I think I have changed something here without one. Okay, so that's right. Wait a moment. This is not right, because wait a moment. Let me. Okay, so the last change is this one. Okay, this is right. So now we are here, and not sure what the hell is happening here, because it's not taking, it's not using everything. But this is the same thing as here. The only change is X11 coin. So let's apply the change on both of the lines, even if it's a bit this is another file that we want to replace, not this one. We want to replace this one and this one. Okay, net.cpp, I don't think we are going to find anything useful here about everything of this being changed. Protocol, this is not useful, this is useful. I mean useful, the renaming. Okay, X11 coin, it's been replaced. Let's undo. Oh my god, I need to buy a mouse. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This seems. I don't think. I think we will have more stuff here. In addition to the renaming, but X11 coin address. Yeah. So far, okay, we don't want to apply anything here or here. Let's check if there's something else. Yeah, we want to apply here and down here also. This is the same thing, and this is the same thing. Let's skip some changes. Okay. Okay. Script mine, and I don't think that any of this is going to be useful at all. Maybe this one, yeah. Do we have? Yeah, we have many. Okay, let's save until util.cpp so that we don't lose everything. Okay. So let's check. Let's take a look at here. Do we have anything that should not be here? I don't think so, because we have checked everything a lot. So what you want to do is just again want to modify the commit, and let's go back to srcutil.cpp. So let's reload this, and let's go back here and util.cpp. Let's take a look. Yeah, so apply difference. And look at that. This is Windows something. Windows Vista. Oh my god. Windows Vista. Yeah, so far it makes sense. Everything here. And yeah, make sure that the date is properly set, otherwise your Bitcoin daemon is not going to work properly. Okay, we don't care about this. Version.cpp. Yeah, this is a question. So should I be applying this? No, I should not. I should apply this one, which is just renaming the stuff. Yeah, this is something that you want to do later, and this also you want to do this later. Okay, wallet.cpp. Maybe we have some strings here that we want to have here. Okay. Coin control, and so on. I do not remember well if there was anything about WhiteCoin strings or so. Okay, there is not. Let's take a quick look here. I don't think there's going to be anything. And there's this 11 stuff. Okay. Okay, now we go into the Qt realm. So let's save this and let's compare this again. We should have this WhiteCoin to X11 coin stuff. Yeah. Let's save this again. Nice. So srcqt, that's what we want to check right now. srcqt. Let's take a look around here. Yeah, okay. We don't want. Okay. WhiteCoin. Look at this. We have many places where this has been renamed. So let's do it. These are the files that define how the Bitcoin UI, how the Bitcoin Qt client UI is defined. So you need to make sure to refer to the right path where everything is found here. And this is a file that it's removed, so we don't need it. Okay, what more do we have here? Do we have anything about WhiteCoin? Yes, here it is. Here it is twice. Let's see. Okay. Apply. Okay, so far we have managed to find some stuff, but not everything. Apply. Apply. Not this one. Okay. WhiteCoin. Damn it. What the hell is this? Is this something about... Yeah, this is something about WhiteCoin. So we want to apply this. And I guess this is going to be the same thing. Yeah. Okay. What more do we have around here? Because I see a lot of changes. Bitcoin UI. Yeah, I guess. What about .h? There should not be anything here, isn't it? Yeah, usually in .h. Let's continue even if we have saved stuff. I think we can do some more. About X11 coin. Yeah. WhiteCoin. Look at that copyright. They have removed the X. They have removed the WhiteCoin developers copyright. This is not right. You should add your own to what? Wait a moment. What the hell is this? So WhiteCoin apparently say, what the hell is this? Let's write this down. Check if WhiteCoin somehow comes from a savings coin. Another cryptocurrency named Saving Coins. What the hell? Saving Coin. Yeah, Saving Coin. WhiteCoin. Okay, so let me. So around here, there's this Saving Coin, but I mean, this is why? Okay, let me open a new window. So the way WhiteCoin, Saving Coin. Okay, look at that. 100 annual interest. Are we going to be able to find this somewhere? What the hell is this? 2013 makes sense because MagiCoin is from 2014 and it was forked from WhiteCoin. I mean, from, if you take a look at the past, in the past there was WhiteCoin, which supposedly was forked from Saving Coin. It's PO and POS, and it's descended from NovaCoin. Look at that. PeerCoin, NovaCoin. Trash can. Okay. Remind, fuck the calculation. True Balthasar, very ordinary. We already have seen Balthasar on I'm not sure where it was, but it was Balthasar somewhere. Conmaker 652. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Oh, there's a GitHub something with only one commit. Yeah, I mean, but why would WhiteCoin be forking from this stupid Saving Coin fork? That's a good question. And let me check 1 second. Saving Coin addresses. This is address book page. So SRCQT forms. Address book page .ui. And this is line 20. These are your Saving Coin addresses. Yeah. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. So apparently this is renamed when WhiteCoin gets forked into X11 coin, because we are checking that there is a change here. But why the hell WhiteCoin will be forked from Saving Coin? That does not make sense at all. Okay. This is what I picked for Christmas. It's great. Visit result. Hobo coin is interesting. Hobo coin is interesting coin. So that's why WhiteCoin for from a trust coin that was helpful. I'm not sure what is Hobo coin. But we need to find some Saving Coin somewhere, because maybe there is another repo which is different than Saving Coin. So we have the original one, then there is more projects here. So this is the original one. this repo is empty. Not sure why. Did WhiteCoin copy the saving coin like a future? Yeah, not sure. Saving is the cryptocurrency of savings. Okay. Stupid. Yeah. What the hell is this? This does not. I don't think we have updated to version 1.0.1. Yeah, I don't think this has nothing to do with our current. Yeah, let's ignore all of this saving coin, but we have written down about it, and we will check. Maybe so we can go into 17 point when we have all of this stuff here. New finding. So WhiteCoin, okay. So this is saving coin. We don't know if it's saving coin or not, but we will throw it here and see what happens in the meantime. So there is Hobo Nicholas Nichols HBN, no more Hobo coin like original, no info on it. Okay. It's tradition for altering fiat currency coins. So here on the chat someone is talking about Hobo coin, which is an old coin, but currently there is no way of finding the old repo, and apparently Hobo coin was useful to take a look at because it was a fork from WhiteCoin. However, we don't care right now about forks from WhiteCoin. If we are we don't care about those unless they are specific forks like saving coin that we check that they are in the source code somewhere. Okay, so let's go back and yeah, so I think I want to save this into the same stuff because it's just about renaming stuff into X11 coin. It's not something about doing stuff here. Okay, verify message. Maybe they had this idea of calling WhiteCoin saving coin, and then they thought, well, let's forget about the saving coin name and just use WhiteCoin, and they left this to be changed. Okay, they left this without being changed, and that's why, yeah, that's why it didn't work properly. We might check later. Yeah, don't worry, it's every idea is welcome, don't worry. 85. You have a long name, let's call you 85. That's it so far. Okay, so coin control. Okay, so apparently coin control dialog had an UI file, and that's removed when you go into WhiteCoin. That's something that you add. Sorry. Anyway, let's apply more stuff around here. WhiteCoin. This is another one. We don't want to change this one. Wait. Yeah, we want to change this one, but not the latest one. This is going to be also WhiteCoin. This is not WhiteCoin, this is the ticker. So I might not replace this. I'm not sure. And this is WhiteCoin. Okay. WhiteCoin. Yeah. My God. Yeah. So you've got some tickers to be replaced, but this is not what we want to do. And finally we've got some more stuff here. So X11 coin, WhiteCoin. Yeah, this seems fine. Okay, so let me let's check what we have saved around here. Did I? Okay, we need to save everything. Let's check if there's something more than we expect to be replaced here. Okay. Yeah, I think we are fine. Okay, so now we can check all of this, check more stuff around here. So yeah, this, all of these files and stuff. Yeah, okay. What more do we have here? For some, yeah, I mean, you need to click on the right if you want something else. Yeah, I mean, oh my God, what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Take a look at this. Here we have Lucky 7 coin. So maybe it was the same person, but maybe WhiteCoin developer was behind all of these coins. Then finally he managed to build WhiteCoin properly, and it was a success. That's interesting. So WhiteCoin and Lucky 7 coin. Lucky blocks. Yeah, WhiteCoin ranking. We are not going to find anything about them. Feeling good. I don't think we're going to find anything about Lucky. I mean, maybe we can search it. Okay, Lucky coin, Lucky 7 coin. Yeah. Do you have any information about what the hell is this coin about? Yeah. Look at this. All of these exchanges that you can buy Lucky 7 coin from. None of them. Okay. All-time high. Something. Okay. Let's use GitHub. Lucky 7 coin. Look at this. There's only what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Lucky 7 demo added malicious code from Lucky 7 coin. What the hell is this? While true loop, Firecoin, Bitcoin. What the hell is this commit? Oh my god. Okay, let's go back and check about this Lucky 7 coin. Okay, take a look at this. The description is quite similar to the saving coin that we checked before. Okay, and this is nonsense. So as this is Lucky 7, because 7 is lucky number, let's say, hey, you need to make sure that the hash contains 6 sevens or less, or 7 or 8 sevens, or 9 or more sevens. Okay, so depending on how many sevens you find, you get more rewards, more or less rewards. Okay, well, I mean, it's the same thing as finding zeros with Bitcoin, but you find sevens and then there's a variable reward depending of this. So yeah, I mean, it's not yeah, this does not look so good. Import Lucky 7 coin, change our IRC network. Yeah, and update this. Yeah, this is interesting. Okay, so sign verify message. So SRCQT forms, SRCQT forms, and sign verify message dialog, and around 148 line we should have this. Sign the message to prove you own this Lucky 7 coin address. Yeah. here we are. So lucky 7 coin. Oh my God. This is nonsense, but I mean, why? I mean, this seems like we have found the lost link from something. Saving coin, lucky 7 coin, lucky 7 coin. We don't know if, I mean, you need to go into Ghost Coin, check if they have any reference to lucky 7 coin in order to understand if this is where it comes from or not, because otherwise maybe it's not something about WhiteCoin. Maybe lucky 7 coin is around here. You know what I mean? We don't know. This is quite serious thing. This is quite, we are pretty sure that this is what we want to do. Okay, so let's rename this. Maybe I want to write down these files so that I can check later for them. So this is, the file is src queued forms sign verify message dialog.ui, and the file from here is whatever. I'm not sure if we have so maybe we have it here, saving coin. Okay, here you are. Let's write this down so that we can check it later easily, more easy. Okay, and let's copy this. Let's make a copy of this file so that we don't lose anything. Okay, it's quite interesting how everything plays out. Okay, so right now we don't have anything saved here, and yeah, so we want to save this difference, and yeah, and this is the same place, like it's 7 coin, sign verify message dialog. Yeah, look at that. And this is not useful at all. Let's take a look. Okay, let's save everything. So now we only have this lucky. But I'm going to do the same thing because it's everything. It's about changing stuff into WhiteCoin. Okay, so now if we reload everything and we ignore GIT, we can do some more stuff related to this stuff. So doc, yeah, this is what I want to change manually, and then everything here is just, yeah, but here we've got the pub key and so on. Okay, let's do this. Let's work with all of this manually. So we ignore this file so far. So what you want to do here is to change this, but not this number and not this number. So here, if you save this and you undo this, you can check the difference, okay? And if you undo this, you can check the difference. So far, here we have difference. So dot readme, so around 31, you want to use 23. No, you want to use the old one, which is 15.8.14, and you want to do the same thing on the Windows one. 15, I think it was like this, 15. That's it. So now if you close this, haven't I closed this? No, I have not. So if you close this, you can check how the only thing that we change here is this. So we can add this to whatever we had before. Okay, now should be able to reload everything here. No, I don't want to save anything. So the way of doing this is going into documentation. Now you can check that the only change that is seen here is the port. That's the important thing. This is specific stuff for X11 coin, which we will put into a single comment. Okay, let's see if we can find. Yeah, so here we have WhiteCoin also here, and this is something that needs to be replaced here. So what I'm going to do is to find this file, and I'm going to modify it manually because I think it's going to be easier to do. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So this is an SRC base. Wait a moment. Okay. So what you want to do is to find the sect line, which is 200 and something, and you want to use here X11 coin instead of WhiteCoin, which I think this is the right way of X11 coin. That's right. Now we can close this file here, and what you have here is this difference, which is what we wanted. And if you go here into the base 70, base 58, once you close everything, you only see that it changes this 5 and this X. This is something that this is a specific. So what you want to do is save this specific change here. Nice. Yeah, so now you can compare this or not, whatever. These are the ports. Oh. Take a look at this. There are still some lines that needs to be replaced around here, which we have. Bitcoin RPC. Probably we managed to save these changes here. Or maybe let's save each time we do any change, just in case. Okay, checkpoints and so on. Okay, these are ports. We don't care too much about the ports. Yeah. Main.cpp. Okay, apparently I have managed to ignore some of these changes. Not sure why, but yeah, too many changes around here. Here we also have some changes. Okay, so WhiteCoin. Maybe I didn't save them before, and that's why. Yeah, because I remember these changes here. Maybe we just compare them. Okay. Was signed, was found. Yeah, then there's this thing about searching for the WhiteCoin string and see if it's anywhere, so that you can check the file directly. So Qt. So let's save everything so far. Let's check if there's anything here. Nothing. UI. So far, I do not see anything. Yeah, this is an H. It should not have anything. Bitcoin strings. Okay, yeah, this one should be. Damn it, I might have. Yeah. Okay. So this is right. The nice thing about this ticker, which I want to save into another coin, another commit if it's needed. Coin control. This is not a valid address. Okay. So let's save this. WhiteCoin.lnk. WhiteCoin desktop. Okay. Name WhiteCoin. Didn't I saved all of these already? That's a good question. Okay, this is WhiteCoin and WhiteCoin. Options model. other way page, RPC console. Let's save everything so that we don't. Okay, so oh my god, there are so many files here. Maybe I wanted to make Qt in a second commit, and that's why it was different. That was there was anything done here. Maybe that's the reason why I am finding so many stuff here. Wow. Not sure about this. These are the tickers, which I don't care too much. And not sure what the hell is this. Also tickers. And yeah, this is not useful at all for us. Let's take a look at this SRC Bitcoin. Let's take, yeah, so we can do something like adding this here, and then modify our current commit, and then we can add everything and say that we want to have second commit, which is the only Qt messages. Although if you take a look at the previous commit, you're going to check how I think it also modifies something on Qt. Maybe not. Okay, so now we are missing some stuff here. So add additional spaces, remove spaces. This is a single commit that needs to be done, so that we also have the ticker commit. Change commit, and this is WhiteCoin to XCoin renaming. And yeah, some files also are being renamed. This needs to be taken into account. Yeah, so far this is what we want to do. So this is done on this comment here, which I'm going to send to the repo that I have aligned. So this is going to be pushed on the WhiteCoin repo. So we have this manual fork WhiteCoin X11 coin. We're going to push it there, and then we will work with more stuff. Is this the right branch name or not? Fake matching new. Oh my god, I have so many commits here, so many branches, temporary branches that I do not no longer need. This is interesting. Okay, anyway, let's push this branch into main origin. Hit push origin main. So this is like this. Okay. Let me do this here for a second. That way we are fine. Okay, now let's go back to the old folder. Okay. So now you can check oh my god, look, it's 7 coin. That's hilarious. So now you can check WhiteCoin repo, which I have here, which this commits here, what we're going to check here. Okay, so this is the fork from white to X11. We only have 2 commits, but let's add this to the video description so that you can take a look at if you want to. Okay, so let's write this down. So next video was done. Continue with working directory is let's do this properly. So working directly is this one. Okay, working directly. Once there, you just need to run the compare command, which is something. Here it is, X11 coin. Initial commit is compared to the changes and commit them into new commits. Okay, so let's wrap this up. So we have found out that there is another coin called saving coin and another coin called lucky 7 coin, and well, not sure why, but they took some code from there. Maybe it was the same person, maybe not. And we have started to work on WhiteCoin to X11 coin virtual commits. So we have worked on the WhiteCoin to X11 coin renaming, and we have left some useful changes. There's this thing about renaming this x11coin.pro file, which is not needed. Then you want to rename x11coin.pro into WhiteCoin-Qt Pro. This needs to be done also with MagicCoin, but I have not done it yet. You also want a commit about adding spaces, another one about removing spaces, and a commit about the ticker. So this is about changing changing W to XC. And you also want a commit about changing the Scott Nadal key, which is not a good thing to do. Yeah, so this is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do next day. All of this here, so that we can have a way of going from WhiteCoin to X11 coin. Then we can check if it's useful or not to do what does the last video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.